As we move into 2025, the landscape of vlogging cameras has evolved significantly, with an impressive array of options designed to cater to both budding creators and seasoned professionals. We have listed the best vlogging cameras in 2025, and there are key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 1. Fujifilm X-S20 is a remarkable addition to the X series lineup, designed to cater to both photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Building upon the success of its predecessors, the X-S20 boasts a sleek, compact body that is both lightweight and durable, making it an ideal companion for on-the-go shooting. One of the standout features of the X-S20 is its impressive 26.1 X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with vibrant colors and incredible detail. This sensor, paired with the powerful X Processor 4, ensures fast processing speeds and exceptional low-light performance, allowing you to capture sharp images even in challenging lighting conditions. In addition to still photography, the X-S20 excels in video capabilities, offering 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. With advanced video features such as F-Log recording and a variety of film simulation modes, videographers can achieve a cinematic look right out of the camera. The inclusion of in-body image stabilization, IBIS, further enhances the camera's ability to produce smooth footage, reducing the impact of camera shake during handheld shooting. The camera's intuitive layout features a fully articulating touchscreen, enabling easy framing from various angles, whether you're shooting vlogs, selfies, or creative compositions. The X-S20 also benefits from an extensive selection of customizable buttons and dials, providing quick access to your most used settings for a seamless shooting experience. Number 2. DJI Osmo. Mobile 6 is a powerful smartphone gimbal that elevates mobile videography to new heights. This latest iteration in DJI's line of stabilizers boasts a sleek design and impressive features, making it an essential tool for content creators and casual users alike who want to achieve professional-grade footage with their smartphones. One of the standout features of the Osmo Mobile 6 is its enhanced stabilization technology, which effectively eliminates shaky footage, allowing users to capture smooth, cinematic shots even while moving. The gimbal's 3-axis stabilization system works seamlessly to adjust and counteract any unwanted motion, providing users with the confidence to film action-packed scenes or simple vlogs without the worry of choppy video. The Osmo Mobile 6 also comes equipped with a user-friendly interface and a variety of shooting modes that cater to different creative needs. With features such as Active Track 5.0, the gimbal can intelligently follow subjects, keeping them in frame as they move. Additionally, the gimbal supports gesture control, allowing users to start and stop recording with simple hand signals, which is perfect for solo creators. Battery life is another area where the Osmo Mobile 6 shines. With an extended battery capacity, users can film for hours without needing to recharge, making it ideal for long shooting sessions or on-the-go adventures. The built-in tripod, which can be extended for added stability, adds versatility, allowing users to set up shots quickly and easily. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix. GH7 is poised to be a game-changer in the world of mirrorless cameras, building on the legacy of its predecessors with a host of impressive features and enhancements. This camera continues Panasonic's reputation for producing exceptional imaging tools, particularly appealing to both videographers and photographers alike. At the heart of the GH7 is a newly developed Micro Four Thirds sensor that promises improved low-light performance and dynamic range. This upgrade allows for stunning image quality, whether you're shooting in bright daylight or challenging low-light conditions. Coupled with advanced image processing technology, the GH7 ensures that colors are vibrant and details are sharp, making it an ideal choice for those who demand high fidelity in their visual storytelling. One of the standout features of the Lumix GH7 is its capability to shoot in 4K resolution at higher frame rates, making it a strong contender for professional video production. With advanced video features such as Vlog and a range of frame rate options, filmmakers can achieve cinematic quality footage with ease. The camera's improved stabilization system also plays a crucial role, allowing for smooth and steady shots even during dynamic movements. In terms of usability, the GH7 boasts a more ergonomic design with enhanced controls and a fully articulating touchscreen display. This makes it easier for users to compose their shots from various angles, whether they're shooting vlogs or capturing intricate scenes. Additionally, the improved autofocus system ensures that subjects remain sharp and in focus, a critical feature for fast-paced shooting scenarios. Number 4. Sony ZV-1 is a compact digital camera designed specifically for content creators, vloggers, and social media enthusiasts. With its sleek and portable design, this camera stands out in a crowded marketplace, offering features tailored to those who prioritize ease of use without sacrificing image quality. At the heart of the ZV-1 is a powerful 20.1 IDOPIA 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor that captures stunning high-resolution images and videos. This larger sensor allows for exceptional low-light performance, making it ideal for shooting in various lighting conditions, whether indoors or outdoors. The ZV-1 also boasts the ability to record 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, ensuring that your footage is sharp and vibrant. One of the standout features of the Sony ZV-1 is its advanced autofocus system. With real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking, the camera ensures that your subjects remain sharp and in focus, even when they move. This technology is a game-changer for vloggers who often film themselves, as it allows for seamless transitions and dynamic shots without the worry of losing focus. The camera is equipped with a versatile 24-70mm equivalent f1.8 2.8 lens that provides excellent depth of field and impressive bokeh effects. This lens range is perfect for capturing a wide variety of scenes, from close-up product shots to expansive landscapes. Number 5. DJI Pocket 3 is the latest addition to DJI's impressive lineup of handheld camera stabilizers and compact cameras, designed to empower creators with unparalleled versatility and performance. Building on the success of its predecessors, this pocket-sized device packs a powerful punch, making it an ideal companion for content creators, vloggers, and adventure enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the Pocket 3 is its upgraded camera system, which boasts a larger sensor that captures stunning 4K video at high frame rates, ensuring that every moment is recorded with exceptional clarity and detail. The improved low-light performance allows users to shoot in a variety of lighting conditions, from bright sunlight to dimly lit environments, without compromising on quality. In addition to its impressive video capabilities, the DJI Pocket 3 incorporates advanced stabilization technology, which allows for smooth and cinematic footage even during active movements. This makes it particularly suitable for capturing dynamic scenes, whether you're hiking, biking, or simply walking around the city. The built-in gimbal stabilizer effectively minimizes shaky footage, resulting in professional-looking videos that are ready for sharing. The device also features an intuitive touchscreen interface, making it easy to navigate settings, select shooting modes, and review footage on the go. With various shooting modes, such as time-lapse, slow motion, and panorama, users can unleash their creativity and experiment with different styles of storytelling. Additionally, the Pocket 3 is compatible with various accessories, including external microphones and tripod mounts, further enhancing its functionality.